Hey there, I'm Brian Hinman, Senior Analyst with Motley Fool Pro and Motley Fool Options. I'm here today to answer a question for the Ask a Fool series. And today we've got a question that comes from Facebook. Ernest Acosta asks, what is the whole commotion about stock options trading? I see the benefits, extreme risks, and potential, but is the benefit really worth the risk? I see people advertise it as a get-rich-quick scheme. Well, Ernest, you've really got three questions here in this one question segment, but I'll try my best to tackle them. The first question you ask is why options? Well, people normally use options for three reasons. The first being they're incredibly versatile. You can use them to generate income, to hedge a position, or to leverage your particular take. The second reason people use options is because they enable freedom. Options are contracts that allow you to define your risk and define your reward, and that's incredibly empowering. The third reason people use options is as a tool to combat market gyrations. Basically what this means is the market zigs, your portfolio may zag if you employ options instead. So these are three really important reasons to at least consider using options. Now, are options worth it? I'm a little biased here because I work on a service called Motley Fool Options. So my answer is, heck yeah they are, except that they're only worth it if you're an options investor rather than an options trader. Now what the heck does that mean? Well, being an options investor means that you understand the business that underlies each option. An option is just a contract that gets its value from the underlying business, whether the underlying business improves or deteriorates. So if you're going to make a call on the underlying business, then that puts you in the camp of being an options investor, as opposed to someone who's just trying to use leverage and it is an options trader. Now the third question you ask about here is you see options often sold as a get-rich-quick scheme. And here I offer you a word of caution. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. However, if you're an options investor, that can mean sensible returns, sensible risk, and a great tool to add to your portfolio. Ernest, thanks for asking your question today. Fool on.